In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Zoho Creator. By the end, you'll have a simple working time-off request form built from scratch, and you'll understand the basic flow for creating any form in Zoho Creator. Start by opening Zoho Creator in your browser and signing in to your Zoho account. You'll land on the home or dashboard area. Make sure you're using a modern, up-to-date browser for the best experience, since the form builder uses a drag-and-drop interface that works most smoothly that way. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new and choose Create Application. This tells Zoho Creator that you want to build a brand new app, which is essentially a container for your forms, reports, and workflows. When the next screen appears, click Create to move forward. You'll be prompted to give your application a name. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose. For example, if you're designing a time-off process, something like time-off request makes it instantly recognizable to anyone who needs to use or manage it later. When you're happy with the name, click Create Application to continue. Inside your new application, you'll see options to add components. Choose Create New Form. Zoho Creator offers templates, but for full control and to learn the essentials, select from scratch. This will open the form builder so you can choose the fields and lay them out exactly how you want. Next, give your form a straightforward name. I'll call this one Time Off Request to match the application name. Use a short, user-friendly name so your team can quickly find it. Then click Create Form. You'll now see the form editor with a center canvas where your form appears and a panel of field types along the side. Open the Fields panel if it's not already visible, and let's start building. Drag the name field onto the center canvas. This field is perfect for capturing a person's full name and comes with sensible defaults. With the field selected, give it a clear label so it reads the way you want on the form. I'll label it Employee Name. Feel free to use the terminology your organization prefers to keep things consistent. Now, add a date field to capture when the time off begins. Drag the date field onto your form and label it Time Off Start Date. Keep labels concise and consistent. Dashes or spaces are both fine as long as it's easy to read. Add another date field the same way and place it just below. Label this one Time Off End Date. Placing these two date fields together makes it intuitive for your users to enter a range. Next, drag a number field into the center of your form. This will store the total number of days requested. Label it Number Days Out. Keeping this as a number ensures you can sort, filter, or report on it later. If you plan to calculate this automatically from the start and end dates, you can explore formulas later. But for now, we'll keep it simple and user-entered. When your fields look good and your labels read clearly, click Done to save the structure of your form. This wraps up the basic build and locks in your layout. To try it out as an end user, click Access this application. This opens the live mode, where you can see and interact with the form the same way your team will. Enter a quick test. Type a sample employee name, choose a start date, choose an end date, and add the number of days out. This is a great moment to check spacing, label clarity, and the overall flow. And that's it. Your form is up and running. You've created an application, built a form from scratch, named and placed a name field, two date fields, and a number field, saved your changes, and accessed the live version to confirm it works. From here, you can refine labels, adjust field order, or explore validation and automation as needed. But you now have a clean, functional time-off request form ready to use inside Zoho Creator.